Alright, what's up everyone? Gonna make a quick video to give you a few tips about how to get out the catalytic converter or the downpipe without taking the drive shaft out. Is it worth it? Probably not. Did we commit to doing it and then just follow through? Yes. A play-by-play, way back at the end of the downpipe, there's a clamp, so take that off. Step one. Step two, in any order I guess, but unplug your O2 sensor and have it loose just so it's not in the way, it doesn't get snagged, don't rip it, etc. Take off your V-band. Then the crucial part to getting this out without taking out the drive shaft was you have to cut it. The way you do that safely is you drop the subframe maybe 2 or 3 inches. You could probably keep the front bolts in, but drop it a few inches. That gives you space to fit your Sawzall in there. And this is the exact cut that allowed us to get it out. Now, it is still not easy. This is a 10-pound bag, or 10-pound load in a 5-pound bag. So you have to loosen your engine mount, loosen this coolant line, take that out and just so you can pull it forward. And you're actually gonna pull the engine forward, have one person pull it forward, maybe do it by yourself, and then finagle this out. It is rough. You can see I got a little damage here on the heat shield, but you know, sometimes sacrifices have to be made. But anyways, I hope that helps you guys. If you're frustrated or whatnot, you know, don't kick stuff, just take a deep breath, take a break, get back to it, you'll get it done. All right, have a good one everyone.